Hello, welcome to another video of Learning by Videofying series. In this video, we will educate you about how to write an effective product review. So let's get started. So these techniques apply to product review articles and other web content like informational articles and how to blog articles. But in this video, we will specifically target the product review. So let's get started. So the first and foremost part is the introduction. So the introduction of a product review article should directly start about the topic. Like this topic is about best oil sprayers for air fryer. So in this intro we will explain the oil sprayers and how to choose them and what factors we need to consider them to buy an oil sprayer for air fryer. So what the mistake usually writers make is they write about what an oil sprayer for air fryer is. So the readers already know what an oil sprayer is, so they are specifically looking for the product, not what it's about and what does it do. They are looking for the factors to consider for buying a specific product. So here you can see we have directly targeted the intro about the oil sprayers and what will we discuss in this article. So here you can see we have explained an ideal oil sprayer will save your time and money and also cut down on calories and waste, and they come with benefits and they have many options on the market. So we have written this intro specifically to the oil sprayers instead of how they work or what they are. So this was the first part. Then we have to write a product review. So say we have this Misto oil sprayer. So in product reviews we always need to explain as many features as possible without repeating the content and without adding a fluff to it. So say this one is a oil sprayer by Misto. So you can see here we have explained that this Misto oil sprayer has been regarded as regarded favorite of many home cooks. So this sentence will be incomplete if we won't add the feature or the reason why it's the favorite of many home cooks. So here we have explained that it has innovative design which makes it applicable for various purposes. So this is the number one benefit. Then we have other options that it allows to spray you on your food. Then it works well as traditional cooking sprays and controls the extra amount coming out of the nozzle, and it's BPA free construction, no chemicals are included in that, etc. and etc. So if we are writing a product review with these features and qualities, then it's an effective and considered a good product review. So mind you that grammar and punctuation of the flow of sentences is always important, but we need to consider the features and qualities instead of writing just a general products review. So that won't be an effective review if we just add the general content and overall content. Then we have there are different formats for each product review. So this one has pros and cons, so we can explain it. Then the third part after the introduction and product reviews is it should contain a buying guide. So buying guide is are the factors that we should consider before buying a product. That could be, in this case, material, consistency, cleaning and maintenance, size, leakages, etc. and etc. So remember that these factors will always be different for different products, but we need to explain these as well, considering their features and what material is good, what material is durable and provide resistance, so and what material or other factors one should consider before buying an oil sprayer. After that, we need to sometimes need to write the FAQs, the frequently asked questions. So in this case we have, what is the best oil to use in an air fryer? So in this answer we should also explain the to the point answer to this question. Instead of just writing the XYZ product is good for an air fryer, so we need to explain which oils or which products are good for an air fryer. Like in this one we say canola oil, olive oil, avocado oil and peanut oil are great options for that. So then we need to conclude the article, and remember that the grammar and sentence flow is always important, but the main thing we should consider is to start with to the point intro, because the intro is the catching part of the article. Then we have product reviews, and product reviews should always explain the features and qualities and without repeating them in the review. So hope you have got the idea of writing a effective product review, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments and we would be glad to answer those. Thanks for watching.